So hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Guide, and today we're going to see how to create a seller account on Temu. So at first you need to go to a new tab and write Pinduoduo login, press enter, and the first site mms.pinduoduo.login.com, you have to click here and this site will be opening. So you have to translate this site at first, and then you have to click here open a store now for 0. From here you can enter your phone number, your password, and get a verification code, and you have to enter your ID proofs for opening a seller account. And then after opening a merchant account, you can go to Temu, log in, and yes, you can now sell on Temu website. So thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, then do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.